Hello, everyone. This is Miss Span with Miss Span's Fundamentals of Learning. 5 tips in 5 minutes. And for the next few weeks, families, we are going to show math some love. There are a lot of reading camps and reading programs and reading activities happening during the summer, but we're not getting a whole lot of math activities, math camps. And I want to make sure that our children don't regress. So I'm going to bring to you some strategies and some skills and some concepts that you can use with them at home as it pertains to math. Now I'm going to start with some very simple sentences, simple addition today. And I'm just going to show you some strategies that you can use to get to the answer. Okay? So my number sentence for today is going to be 6 plus 5. Now, if I had more space, I would draw a longer number line. But for today, I'm just going to actually start at my first number instead of drawing from 0 to 20 because I want you to be able to see my numbers. So this number line is going to start at the number 6. And I'm just going to add more numbers to it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the number line is exactly what its name is. It's a line with numbers on it. Now, when your son or daughter uses the number line, this is where they start. So the first number is where they start. And the second number is how many times they hop. I call it hopping. So I'm going to start at the number 6. And I'm going to hop 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I end at the number 11. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Now, another thing that you can have them practice is to actually draw objects. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you count. Now, to make sure that I'm counting each object, I'm going to draw a check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is my answer. Now they can draw their objects or you can actually give them objects. So I'm using popsicle sticks today. You can use macaroni noodles. You can use jelly beans. You can use Skittles. You can use fruit snacks. Whatever they can put their hands on, you can use it to help them count. Now make a group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put them together, and then I want to make sure that they're counting them one by one. So 6 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Now, you can also have them draw a picture. My girls really like hearts, so you can draw pictures of hearts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then make sure they go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5 equals 11. You can also have them write a story, or you can write the story for them, but they didn't have to tell you the story. So my story could sound something like, I have, make sure you're using the numbers in your sentence, 6 pencils. My mom gives me 5 more. Now for space, I won't write the end part of it, but it may sound something like, how many pencils do I have now? How many pencils do I have in all? Okay? So practice. These are some things that you can practice. Giving them a number sentence. Having them draw a number line. Having them draw objects and count. having them have objects in their hand and count, have them draw some pictures, and have them to write a story for that same number sentence. We can keep it all here so that they are practicing and getting familiar with it, and then maybe you can have them try with different number sentences. Okay? This has been Miss Span with Miss Span's Fundamentals of Learning. 5 tips in 5 minutes. And thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next week.